Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in carbon black metallic with a Tartufo Merino Leather interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in carbon black metallic. I just hit unlock, so we've got the headlights on there, welcome light animation, and I can see here that we've also got the kidney grille lit up from the top here, so it's a cascading type of light. And this is carbon black metallic. So let's do a little lap all the way around. Since we've got a little bit of the sun coming in, you can see a little bit of that blue in the carbon black paint there. But where it's a bit lower light, it's much harder to see that blue. This side you can see it's blue, but towards the back here, it's getting a bit blacker. And then this side where there's the least amount of light, right in this area, very black. A bit of the blues coming through here. So anyway, now that we've done this lap all the way around the vehicle, let's take a look at all the details. So this is carbon black. It's a touch darker than tanzanite blue metallic, and it is a black paint with blue undertones, whereas tanzanite is a blue paint with black undertones. But it's a really nice looking paint, and we've got some body lines on the hood coming down lengthwise, rondelle up front, one piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats, and these are active shutters behind here, so they will open when needed. And down at the bottom here you can see we've got the big radar puck, and we've got some functional air ducts going into the intercoolers and oil coolers and whatnot. So front end looks really sweet, and of course lights on. There's the low beams, and again the cascading iconic glow, as they call it, of the kidney grille. And there's a little camera up front here as well. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the beautiful 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels in jet black with that massive red M Sport brake there. That's sweet. We have this little cutout on the fender that leads into some body lines going across the doors. We have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and camera. We have this style door handle with touch comfort access on the front. Side profile looks great. And up top we have black roof rails. There's your sunroof. New style antenna is up here. And there's the rear 742M with the red caliper. We've got a spoiler up top. There's the rear wiper arm. And if we go ahead and hit unlock back here, so tail lights also animate when they come on. BMW lights up on the side here, and we've got all these little intricate triangle patterns all over. There's horizontal reflectors on each side, and we also have the freeform exhaust on each side as well, with the diffuser in the center. 40i badging is over here. And since we're back here, a straight kick underneath the car while I have the key, we'll have that open up. So once we have this open, there's a cargo cover here to hide your contents. There's a button right here you can press that releases the cargo cover if you want to take it out. And down here, so those are the original carpeted floor mats. The winter ones are on the floor. Accessory cargo liner. I can press this to raise or lower the lower tailgate portion. If I lift this up, so we have the optional spare tire with jack in the middle, tow hook, wheel lock keys in the little box there. We have a 12-volt plug, a grocery bag hanger, another grocery bag hanger on this side, and up top there's a button to close, another one to close and lock in one step. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Beautiful. On the passenger side, you'll find the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane there. There's a spot to put the cap while you're filling. And if I go ahead and open up the back door, so inside you'll see that we've got the individual Tartufo Merino Leather interior, manual sunshades, pockets on the door. We've got some carbon fiber trim, and you can also see that we've got some ambient lighting there and some nice stitching on the door panel. We have an accessory port that opens up here. So there's a USB Type-C charging port and a number of different accessories you can buy, like tablet holders, coat hangers, that kind of thing. We also have some pockets. The back of the center console has some vents with rear climate controls and heated seats for the 2 outer positions. There's also a storage space, 12-volt plug, and 2 USB Type-Cs. More vents and lighting underneath the front seats for the rear passengers. And let's take a look at these beautiful seats. So the outer headrest can flip up or down. There's a release on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center here with some storage space. And there's some cup holders here. And we find there's a string that's revealed for a pass-through in the center. Once the armrest is down, the outer headrest can flip up or down. We have the Alcantara headliner. I can also see that we've got the Sky Lounge sunroof in here as well, so the ambient light color also displays in the sunroof. And we've got a handle with a coat hanger, and the lights are over here on each side. So lots of space back here, great place to sit. And there's also an illuminating M door sill down here. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front door next. So once we open up the front door, so inside you'll see that we've got some nice stitching going across. We have the massage chair for the passenger, memory seats for the passenger, window controls, handle, ambient light, carbon fiber, speaker, and down here pocket. So we do have the Harman Kardon sound system in here. Aluminum M door sill that illuminates. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. So seats look awesome. We have the new vent design, close the vent, open the vent, direct where it's blowing. Carbon fiber interior with iDrive40i on the curved display. Interaction light bar. And down here, look at this. We have ambient air. So you gotta press this down. There's 2 flavors in here. Blue Sweet number 1 light and Golden Sweet number 2 rich. So let me just set this up here for a second. So you can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna open one first. Let's open this one. So it looks like this. You gotta take this BMW cap off. I usually just put it on the other side here like this. And then this plugs into here. Just like that. So there's one. And then we'll do the second one. So again, it looks like this. Take the BMW cap off to reveal where the air can come out. That can just go on the back, and then this one will go in here second. So this is what it looks like in there, and then you just push it up, whoop, like this. Now it's installed. Close that up. And I'll just put the boxes back in here in case you want to refill. And if we go into our climate menu by pressing the little fan here, and you go over to where it says, so there's fragrance right here. So once the car is on, you can turn it on, the intensity, you can choose which one it is, and it'll tell you how much is left once you actually get the car on. So that's pretty sweet. Down here, we have the wireless charger, we have the cup holders, we have the USB Type A, we have the 12-volt plug, and the cup holders, they are heated and cooled. Glass iDrive controller, gear selector, push start button, and if I press this, splits open, there is a USB Type-C in there. The armrests also heat with the heated seats, which is great. So let's shut this door, and we'll open the door on the driver's side next. Alright, so if we open the driver door, so windows were just tinted, but these are all the window controls under here. It's just telling us not to open them for 3 to 5 days. Press that so nobody can control the windows but the driver. Side mirror controls, tailgate release, massage chair. If I press that, the driver's seat controls the passenger side, memory, unlock, lock. Pockets down here. Again, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. There's your M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. Got the nice airbag cover in leather. We've also got here the head-up display. And if I just jump in here real quick for a second. So if we go to driving settings, I just want to see. So we have assisted driving plus, no hands on the steering wheel. During cruise control, mitigates the speed distance of the car in front of you, steers for you, also changes lanes for you, and if you lose navigation from BMW while in cruise control, it can also change lanes for you based on your navigation destination. And we've got all the self-parking stuff here as well, so that's sweet. On the rear view mirror, we've got some buttons here for your universal garage door opener. Sunroof controls are here, SOS for roadside assistance up here. Rear view, visor has the mirror in there, the light turns on with that, and we've got some microphones on the ceiling on each side. So that's sweet. Let's take a look at what's under the hood next. So down here, it's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything under the hood, you just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. And this one is with the mild hybrid. So it has 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid goes over there. And we've got 4 different strut braces here, which is nice as well. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So from about halfway, literally just center down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm gonna just do one more lap all the way around. And yeah, got the headlights back on here as well. And we've got those 22-inch 742Ms. And you can kind of see the welcome light carpet a little bit. It's kind of hard to see. And the back end looks great. So how do you like the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in carbon black metallic with the individual Tartufo Merino Leather? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in carbon black metallic with the individual Tartufo Merino Leather interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.